Hello, hello children. Now I am going to teach for class 6. In our previous class, we have learned about smallest, largest digit and smallest digit. From 1 digit to 9 digit we have learned, and about ascending order and descending order also we have learned. Today we will learn about comparison of numbers. Do you know what is meant by comparison? Comparison means you have to say which is the greatest one, which is the smallest one. Now I am drawing two lines here. It is the first line, it is the second line. Now out of these two lines, can you say what is the greatest line, what is the smallest line? Yes, it is the smallest line, it is the greatest line. That means comparison means which is the greater one, which is the smaller one. You have to say what is the greater number and what is the smaller number, you have to say. Comparison means that only. Now how to compare the numbers? Now I am writing two numbers here. Now I will write 374 and 134. Now count the digits in 374. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. How many are there? We have 3 digits. Now at the same time for 134 also. How many digits are there? 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Here you have 3 digits. Here you have 3 digits. That means digits are equal. If the digits are equal, then you have to compare the first number. You have to compare the first number. What is the first number here? 3. What is the first number here? 1. 3 and 1 both are same? No, both are not equal. Now it is 3, it is 1, both are not same. Out of it is 3, it is 1. Out of these two numbers, 3 is the greater number. So 374 is the greatest number and 134 is the smallest number. I'll write more one. It is 37, it is 95. 37, 95. First of all, you have to count the digits. How many digits are there? 1, 2. Here in the 37 we have 2 digits. Now come to the 95. How many digits are there? We have 2 digits. Here we have 2 digits. Here we have 2 digits. If the digits are equal, then you have to compare the first number. What is the first number here? 3. What is the first number here? 9. Out of these two numbers, what is the greatest number? 9. 9 is the greatest number. So 95 is the greatest number. Now more one. Here I am writing 11. Here I am writing 371. Now I want to compare these two numbers. That means I want to know what is the greatest number and what is the smallest number. Now see, count the digits. Before going to compare the numbers, first of all you have to count the digits. How many digits are there here? We have 2 digits. 1, 2. Now how many digits are there here? 1, 2, 3. Here we have 2 digits. Here we have 3 digits. Which number contains greatest digit? Here in this 371 we have 3 digits. So that's why 371 is the greatest number. Like this you have to compare. First of all you have to count the digits. If the digits are equal, then you have to compare the first numbers. Then if the digits are, first of all like this, first of all you have to count the digits. Here we have 2 digits, here we have 3 digits. That means it is 2 digit number, it is 3 digit number. Now 3 is the greatest number, so that's why 371 is the greatest number. If the digits are equal like this, if the digits are equal, then here also we have 3 digits, here also we have 3 digits. If the digits are equal, then you have to compare the first number. Here 3, here 1. Both are not equal. If that is not equal, then you have to compare what is the greater number and what is the smaller number. Here we have 3, here we have 1. 3 is the greatest number, so 374 is the greatest number. I will write more one number. I will write 4 digit number 3076. 3143. I have written 4 digit numbers. How to? Now see. First of all, now I want to compare these two numbers by I want to know what is the greater number and what is the smaller number. Before going to know that, first of all, we have to count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is also 4 digit number. In 3076 also we have 4 digits. In 3143 also we have 4 digits. If the digits are equal, then what you have to do? If the digits are equal, then you have to compare the first number. What is the first number here? 3. Now here the first number is 3. Now come to here. What is the first number here? 3. Here the first number is 3. Here the first number is 3. If the first number is equal, then you have to go for second number. You have to go for second number. What is the second number here? 0. What is the second number here? 1. Here we have the second number is 0. Here the second number is 1. both the numbers are same. No, both the numbers are not equal. So here 0, here 1. Can you say out of these two numbers what is the greatest number? Yes, 1 is the greatest number. So 3143 is the greatest number. Comparison of numbers, Nana. If you want to know what is the greatest number and what is the smallest number, first of all you have to count the digits. If the digits are equal, then you have to compare the first number. If the first number is equal, then you have to compare the second number. If the second number is also equal, then you have to compare the third number. Now see more one example. 6375, 6398. It is a now 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also we have 4 digits. It is a 4-digit number. It is also 4-digit number. If the digits are equal, then what you have to do? If the digits are equal, then you have to compare the first number. What is the first number here? 6. Now compare the next number. What is the first number here? 6. Here the first number is 6. Here also the first number is 6. If the first number is equal, then what you have to do? Then you have to compare the second number. What is the second number here? 3. Now come here. What is the second number here? 3. First digit is also same. Second digit is also same. If the first digit and second digit both are same, then go for the third digit. Go for the third digit. What is the third number here? 7. What is the third number here? 9. 7 and 9 both are equal, Anna? No, not equal. It is 7, it is 9. Out of these two numbers, 9 is the greatest number. So 6398 is the greatest number. 6398 is the greatest number. Like this you have to compare. Comparison of numbers. That means you have to say what is the greater number, what is the smaller number. What is the greater number, what is the smaller number. Before going to start about comparison of numbers, first of all you have to count the digits. First of all you have to count the digits. If the digits are equal, then you have to compare the first number. If the first number is also equal, then you have to compare the. Now see here and here both the first numbers are equal. If the first number is equal, then you have to compare the second number. If the second number is also equal, then you have to compare the third number. Like this you have to compare the numbers and you have to find what is the greater number and what is the smaller number. Now we have completed about what largest numbers and smallest number up to 9 digits. And we have completed about ascending order and descending order, and we have learned comparison of numbers also. Then in your class 6, your first chapter is knowing our numbers. Now we will start the chapter. Introduction here completed. Here introduction completed. Now we will start the chapter 1. That is knowing our numbers. Class 1, knowing our numbers. Chapter 1. Knowing our numbers. Knowing our numbers. Then before going to start the chapter, we will learn about natural numbers and whole numbers. Afterwards we will go for exercise. First of all, we will learn about natural numbers. We will learn about natural numbers. N-U-M-B-E-R-S here. While I am writing natural numbers, what is the first letter here? N. So natural numbers are denoted by capital N. Do you know what is mean by natural numbers? No, we don't know. In class 5 we did not get about natural numbers. Now in class 6 we will learn. Natural numbers means, do you know 1 to 3s? Okay, everybody you know 1 to 3s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 like that. The counting of numbers are called natural numbers. That means 1, 2, 3s are said to be natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs like that. The counting of numbers are called natural numbers. Natural numbers are starts from 1 onwards. Natural numbers are starts from 1 onwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dash, 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 10, 100, 1000 like that. We have more also. The counting of numbers are called natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by capital N. Natural numbers are completed. Now next type of numbers are whole numbers. Whole numbers. whole numbers. While I am writing whole numbers, the first letter is W, so whole numbers are denoted by capital W. Whole numbers are denoted by capital W. Whole numbers are also same like natural numbers only, but in natural numbers we don't have 0. In natural numbers we don't have 0. If you include 0 to the natural numbers, then we will get whole numbers. What you have to include to get in? What you have to include to natural numbers to get whole numbers, Nana? 0. That means if you add 0 to the natural numbers, we have to add 0. I have added 0. Then you have to write these natural numbers as this. Then the numbers are called whole numbers. Only 0 is difference. In natural numbers we don't have 0. In whole numbers we have the 0. It is the difference between natural numbers and whole numbers. Natural numbers completed, whole numbers are completed. The counting of numbers are called natural numbers. Then whole numbers. If you add 0 to the natural numbers, then you will get whole numbers. It is about natural numbers and whole numbers. Natural numbers, whole numbers completed. And we have learned about ascending order, you know that well. And just now we have learned about comparison of numbers. Now open your textbooks, and our first chapter is knowing our numbers. Now open your textbooks, Nana, page number 1. Knowing our numbers, it is our chapter 1. Now turn your page. Now turn your page. Page number 2. Estimating and comparing numbers. Just now we have learned about comparison of numbers. Identify the greatest and smallest among the following numbers. Now they have given serial number, numbers, greatest number, smallest numbers. First one 3845, 485, 34, 1345. They have found that they have written greatest number and they have written smallest number. Remaining second one, third one, fourth one, you have to complete in your textbook. Afterwards, now here we have exercise 1.1. What do you have here? Exercise 1.1. First bit, Nana. Which is the greatest and the smallest among the group of numbers? Which is the greatest and smallest among the group of numbers? That means you have to compare. Which is a greater number, which is a smaller number, you have to compare. I will explain first one. Remaining all are your homework. Rubbing this. First chapter, knowing our numbers. Now exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1, Nana. What is the first bit? Which is the greatest and the smallest among the group of numbers? First bit. What is the first bit? Which is the greatest and smallest among the group of numbers? Among the group of numbers. These are heading. Now what is the first question, Nana? First question is first one. 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, comma 1, 5, 8, 9, 2, comma 1, 5, 3. Okay, done. 1, 5, 5, 2, 4. Now we have to find how many numbers are there. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 numbers are there. Now out of these 4 we have to find what is the greatest number and what is the smallest number. Now solution 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, comma again you have to write 1, 5, 8, 9, 2, comma 1, 5, 3, 7, 0, comma 1, 5, 5, 2, 4. I have written. Now comparison of numbers. The first rule is first of all you have to count the digits. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is also 5 digit number. All the numbers are 5 digit numbers. If the digits are equal, then you have to compare the first number. Here the first number is 1. In the first digit, in the first number is 1. Here the second, here the first digit is also 1. Here the first digit is also 1. Here also the first digit is 1. If the first digit is equal, then you have to compare the second digit. Second digit is 5. Second digit is 5. Second digit is also 5. Second digit is also 5. First digit, second digit, both digits are equal. If the two numbers are equal, then you have to compare the third number. What is the third number here? 4. What is the third number here? 8. What is the third number here? 3. What is the third number here? 5. All the digits are different in third. All the third digits are different. All the third digits are different. Now we have to find out of these all the numbers what is the greatest number and what is the smallest number. You have to write greatest number. Greatest number. Now 4, 8, 3, 5. What is the greatest number and out of these 4? 8 is the greatest number. So 15,892 is the greatest number. Now smallest number. Smallest number. Now here 15,892 completed. Now compare 4, 3, 5. What is the smallest number here? 4 or 3 or 5. 3 is the smallest number, so 15,370 is the smallest number. Like this, you have to compare the numbers and you have to find the solutions. First problem has completed. I will explain more one. Now I will explain fourth one. Now I will explain fourth one. What is the fourth question, Nana? First bit, fourth one. 7, 5, 6, 7, 1. Next, 7, 5, 6, 3, 5. Next, 7, 5, 6, 4, 1. Next, 7, 5, 6, 1, 0. Fourth problem. Now question has completed. Now see. We have to write the numbers again. 7, 5, 6, 7, 1, comma 7, 5, 6, 3, 5, comma 7, 5, 6, 4, 1, comma 7, 5, 6, 1, 0. I have written all the numbers. Now the first rule is you have to count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is also 5 digit number. If the digits are equal, then we have to compare the first number. What is the first number here? 7. What is the first number here? 7. Here also 7. Here also 7. If the first digit is equal, then the second rule is, then you have to compare the second number. What is the second number here? 5. What is the second number here? 5. What is the second number here? 5. Here also the second number is 5. If the second number is also equal, then you have to compare the third number. What is the third number here? 6. 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 First number, second number, third number. 3 numbers are equal. If the third number is also equal, then we have to compare the fourth number. What is the fourth number here? 7. What is the fourth number here? 3. What is the fourth number here? 4. What is the fourth number here? 1. The fourth place digits are not equal. The fourth place digits are not equal. Up to 3 digits all are equal. Now see the fourth place digits. In the fourth place here we have 7, 3, 4, 1. All the digits are not equal. Now you have to compare here. Now here you have to find what is the greatest number and what is the smallest number. Greatest number. Now compare these numbers. 7, 3, 4, 1. Out of these 7, 3, 4, 1. What is the greatest number? 7 is the greatest number. So 75,671 is the greatest number. That means 75671 is the greatest number. Now see. This number has completed. Now compare these 3. 3, 4, 1. What is the smallest number, Nana? 1 is the smallest number. So smallest number is smallest number. 7. 5, 6, 1, 0. Like this. It is comparison of numbers. Like this you have to compare and you have to find what is the greatest number and what is the smallest number. In first bit, first problem and fourth problem both are completed. Remaining second one, third one, fifth one is your homework. You have to complete that. Now see second bit. Now see the second bit, Nana. Second bit is write the numbers in ascending order, ascending or increasing order, increasing and ascending order.